It looked crazy. Hey y'all, I'm back at it again with another cleaning video. So today I'm gonna be cleaning up my closet. Hopefully y'all can get the whole thing done. I will show y'all how bad it looks because y'all don't have no clue. Y'all don't got an idea, but it looked crazy. And I've been wanting to clean it for the longest, but I just never did it. But oh well, I'm doing it today and I just decided to make it a video because why not? Y'all seem to like my cleaning up videos. Thank y'all for getting me to almost 2K on my last cleaning video. Hopefully I could do as good as I did on the other one. And let's just get straight into it. Well, y'all, this is how my closet looks. It looked crazy. If any of y'all want that Orbeez thing, y'all could have it. Just comment down below. I really don't use that. Or if y'all want to get it for y'all little sister or something. I don't know, but I got this whole rack of glasses. Some glasses even fell because there's freaking things without any glasses in it, and that's disappointing. I got so much stuff up there. I don't even know where the key is at to that thing. I don't know. It's so much. I got too much jackets. I got weave. I got pink bags. This thing is full of bags. Like, what? And then this is just... Okay, see, look. That's a problem. Old stuff, and I can't do this no more. I got spikes, I got freaking whatever, I don't know, it's just crazy. But we gonna fix it today. Alright, so hopefully this is a good angle because I want to make sure y'all could be able to see everything that I'm taking out, and I want y'all to see how I'm gonna organize it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I know I'm gonna do something that's gonna make it look nice because I can't be having my room looking all messy. It already looked crazy and messy, so I'm gonna do another video tomorrow if I could get this uploaded today. With my whole, I gotta change my room around. I can't have the same room setting for too long of a time if y'all haven't noticed, and I just hate when my room look dirty. I just can't have that, so we're gonna switch it up today. Alright, what we're gonna start with is somebody calling my other phone? Sorry if my leave out look crazy. I don't care because I ain't really do too much to it. I ain't straighten it. I don't want to pour all that heat to my hair. I already got people talking about me, like, talking about something. I straighten my hair too much. Alright, boo-boo. Well, oh well. Let's chop chop. Period. First, I think we should start with all the stuff at the top because that just gotta go. And I need to put some things up here. I'm gonna stop talking though. Got me some weed. So when I was younger, I did make a book. I found this up there. I'm surprised I still have it. It's from like 5th grade. But yeah, we're gonna get on with the video.
Oh! Oh! And I
Hey, y'all, this is the top of the closet. Is all clear. I'm about to do the rest. I got the bottom, all this extra stuff, Amazon packages. Whew, we gonna get it done. Alright, y'all, excuse the noise in the background. This is pretty clear, but now I just gotta clear everything at the bottom because we still got a lot of stuff right there. Yeah, let's do this. I think this is the part where it's pretty necessary. We take out everything and I place the camera where I placed it. If my camera don't stop moving, I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. I like to take everything out and then put everything back in and replace it, you feel me? I have a lot of stuff that I won't be putting back in this closet. It will be bye-bye after today. We just gonna get straight to it. Alright, y'all, so most of everything is out. I think I'm gonna leave that right there. Look, this floor is clean. Well, not spectacularly clean, but clean enough. You got the top looking marvelous. Everything's clear, so everything's clear, so imagine what you're gonna see over there. I'm about to show y'all.
hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
Yeah, I know. Pretty deep, right? That's crazy. We're about to start loading this thing back up in there, but some things will not be back in here, like I told you guys previously before I even started the video. I'll see what I want, where I want it, and you guys are gonna watch me do that too. So yeah, let's get it poppin'. Alright guys, sorry I took a little break because my stomach started to hurt. I was feeling a little weak and everything. It's really hot outside, so it's hot in here, so I had to turn the AC on, and I went to go get me some water and something to eat because I did just hop into a video basically waking up. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue the video. Let's go. Guys, I stopped recording for such a long time, but this is where I got so far with my closet. I had moved everything over here and then kept the sunglasses over there. I thought it'd be easier for me. And then I had put some things up there that I felt like needed to be there. This is only right here for when I go back to school and I take my track clothes back, because I might not be doing another season. Watch me clean up some more stuff. This room looked crazy. It looked junky. And there's still more stuff out here. Just hideous. But we gonna fix all that. Alright y'all, I'm almost done. The sun is going down. Hopefully I could get done by the time the sun goes completely down. But I'm about to show y'all how far I got so far. I still got stuff over here, and I still got a pile of clothes over there. I still got bags to unload. Bed is still looking hideous, all that. But so far, just what I got in the closet. I just did a little something with the bags and all of that up there. I should be done soon. I'm gonna keep going. Alright guys, so I just gathered up some glasses that I don't wear, and you guys can comment down below if you're interested. I'm debating if I should give them away for free or they charge. Don't know. I'm gonna show y'all these how they look. So y'all can either get them separate or all together. I really don't know. Comment down below if I should do it for the free, if I should charge, if y'all like them or not. If y'all don't like them, then I'm gonna just keep them and just give them away to somebody else who want them. But let me know in the comments. I'm just folding up the last pair of things because I don't know where else to put it, so I'm gonna just fold it and put it in my closet. I'm gonna hit y'all right after since I'm almost done at this point. I also have another thing that I'm giving away. I don't wear these. I wore them once. If y'all want them, comment down below. Let me know. Your girl's just giving stuff away at this point. But just let me know so I can clean them and do all the extra stuff. By the way, they're size 7.5. Alright, y'all. I am finally done. I'm about to show y'all the finished product. Let's see how I did. I feel like I did a pretty good job, personally, you know. I found a lot of things, and I also threw away a lot of things. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be prepared for another video. Rearranging my room around once again, part 2, like I mentioned earlier in the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.